Good day, everyone. Even on screen, this moment brings me to a place of deep gratitude because what we are witnessing today is not ordinary. Rona's Training Center began with a dream that quality professional development should reach every Filipino professional, no matter where they are. And today, that dream takes another defining step forward. With immense pride, a full heart, today, Rona's Training Center enters into this virtual memorandum of agreement with St. Paul University Dumaguete, one of the most respected Catholic institutions in the country. This is not a partnership we take lightly. This is a rare and a meaningful opportunity, and we are deeply humbled by it. Through this agreement, St. Paul University Dumaguete becomes our official academic and venue partner in Negros Oriental. And together, we will bring PRC-accredited CPD programs, trainings, and seminars to the professionals of this region with the quality and integrity they deserve. To St. Paul University Dumaguete, thank you for believing in what Rona stands for. To the professionals of Negros Oriental, we are coming to you not just with programs but with purpose. Ronas has always believed that great nations are built by great professionals. Today, we take that belief and plant it firmly in Negros Oriental through partnership, through faith, and through excellence. Daghang salamat, and may God bless us all.